Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cut and grill tomato kebabs. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload. So this is super easy. It's best to use grape tomatoes, in my opinion, or cherry tomatoes, because you don't have to cut them at all. They're like the perfect size, they have really good flavor, and you just slide them right on the skewer. And it's like super simple. There's like basically no mess. It's really great. So I have metal skewers, and I said this in the mushroom video if you watch that one where we grilled mushrooms. If you're using a wooden skewer, you have to soak them beforehand for about 30 minutes. Otherwise, they could catch on fire. It's not a guarantee that they'll catch on fire in your grill, but it is possible. So once you've got your tomatoes on your kebabs, then you're going to season them up. I just used a little salt and pepper, oil, and that was it. If you wanted to use other seasonings, you absolutely could. Garlic powder, onion powder, always an option. I feel like ranch seasoning would work really well. Chili powder, chili flakes. If you wanted to add a little spice, add some cayenne. You could add anything. They only need to grill for just a couple minutes. You just kind of want them to blister and warm up, but that's it. They are super delicious and easy to make. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.